To fix the Steam pending transaction error, start by understanding what causes this issue. The pending transaction error typically occurs when Steam is unable to process a transaction due to a temporary issue with your bank or payment method. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A poor internet connection can prevent Steam from communicating with its servers, resulting in a pending transaction error. Next, verify that your payment method has sufficient funds and is up to date. Ensure that your credit card or other payment method is valid and has not expired. If you have recently added a new payment method, try removing it and then re-adding it to Steam. This can help resolve any issues with the payment method and allow the transaction to process successfully. Another step is to check the Steam server status. If Steam is experiencing technical difficulties, it can cause transactions to become stuck in a pending state. You can also try restarting Steam and your computer to resolve the issue. This can help clear out any temporary errors that may be preventing the transaction from processing. Additionally, consider contacting your bank to see if there are any issues on their end that may be preventing the transaction from going through. They may be able to provide more information about the status of the transaction and help you resolve the issue. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can try contacting Steam support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more detailed guidance on how to resolve the pending transaction error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Steam pending transaction error and successfully complete your transaction.